got here is a nitrous bait car. So we've rigged the car with a hidden camera and a hidden huge nitrous purge. We're going to put it out there and see if someone tries to steal it. And when they do, go ahead, test number 1. One more time. Okay, it works.
Fucking ass this way. All in the middle of the fucking thing anyway. Yeah, freaking sun beaming over here.
It's hot.
You just bring one drink, where the rest of the drinks at?
They're in the igloo. They've been back there this whole time.
God damn. Man, it's hot out here.
What time is it?
Oh, shit.
Oh, hey. That's what happens.
Man. Hold up. Just put you on that brick back there. There you go. Try that.
There we go.
You good?
Hell yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, how long have we been back here?
Man, I don't know what time it is now. Been back here about maybe hour 45, 2 hours.
Hey, someone's checking it out.
Oh yeah?
No, they're not doing it.
No. Ain't nothing there.
Oh, here comes somebody else. They're checking it out.
They hand me a brewski. Uno cerveza.
Oh, dude, that's the 3rd time he's been by.
Oh yeah.
Dude, he's scoping it out hard.
It's going down too.
Dude, that's sketchy. That dude's sketchy.
It might be one of the same ones.
I think it is, man.
Oh, he's going off now.
No, man.
No,
Dude,
he's parking.
He's parking.
Look, he's parking.
Oh, shit.
Check it out. He's getting out. He's getting out.
He's just going to the gym.
Yeah, he maybe be going to work out. Maybe just checking it out, you know?
He's got a bag. Dude,
No, he's coming this way.
He's coming this way.
Uh-oh. Hey, we might have him.
I bet you he's gonna steal it.
I think we might have a fish on him. Look, see this thing? Oh, he opened it.
That seems pretty badass. Well, that makes my job a lot easier.
Can't tell. Oh, I hope not.
Oh shit, that must be posting. Posting.
Get him out. Oh, shit.
I bet you won't come back no more.
Got his ass. That's what happens when you're sitting for freaking 3 hours.